In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about HLBZ, BZ, HLBZ, sitting at 21 cent right now. It's actually half a percent up today. Let's go into the daily chart and see what we have here. Now, this prediction was made on 28th of November. All right, 28th of November was from Monday. You guys can see a beautiful Monday, and now basically from there on, I was looking for these lows to get cleared, and I still am technically. Why is that? It's all because based on the weekly time frame. You're coming from this weekly. I actually might be from the 4 hour. It's definitely based on the 4 hour in this situation. So yeah, I'm definitely still pretty bearish. Um, yeah, I'm waiting for some kind of turnaround if that happens. We should break this 4 hour highs. But for right now, I'm definitely looking for the lows to get cleared. Nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. Thank you for watching till the end and goodbye.